Hello everyone, myself Arpan Shah. At present, I am working in engineering department at Unit 12 UPL Dahej. Uh, at present, I am serving as a utility area in charge, and in our plant there were too many equipments, critical equipments installed, and which doesn't have any monitoring system in part. Then after we have evaluated the critical equipments, and then after we installed the real-time asset health monitoring systems, which comprises real-time notifications and alerts for any abnormalities like vibrations and all. These data are helping us to evaluate any problem in well advance, which help us to prioritize PM schedules and repair of that equipment, which reduce the breakdown of the equipment. So these data are very helpful for us. So thanks.